Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sudoswap token. Now the Sudoswap token is being listed on a central exchange, a brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there in the description box and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol Sudo, S-U-D-O. The Sudoswap token is getting its first listing on Mexc Global. Now, it doesn't have the exact date yet, but it says here... they have a contest that just started on Mexc Global's Twitter 6 hours ago. This was just posted. It says 20 people get $5 to celebrate the Sudo token's first central exchange listing. It says deposit, trade Sudo to share $4,000. 50 people $6 when retweet hits 5,000. Follow Mexc Global and Sudoswap. Quote retweet with hashtag Sudo on Mexc, and then there's a form to complete and create an account. They have all these things listed here on Mexc Global. So the Sudoswap token will shortly be listed on Mexc Global. If you follow Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_global, you will know exactly, probably within the next week or so, when this token is listed on Mexc. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token when it comes out within the next week or so is you'd simply just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SUDO, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you just trade your USDT for the Sudo token. It's that easy. Mexc Global is a great exchange. They always have cool contests like this and things like that that come out on their Twitter, and they have tons of new tokens listed on there all the time. Now, if you want to find Sudoswap's Twitter, it is at Sudoswap. They have 166 tweets. They joined in October 2020, and they have 48,200 Twitter followers. So they're a very well established project here. They have a Discord listed on their Twitter as well that you could join. It says fully on-chain NFT automated market maker protocol. Their official webpage is Sudoswap.xyz, and that is linked on their Twitter as well. Now, if you go over there, you can connect your wallet. There's a cart. There's different pools. There's NFTs, flexible orders. It says fully on-chain. You can check out other deed NFTs, pudgy penguins, based ghouls, all these very popular NFT collections. Now, they have all sorts of socials on here, like Medium articles, Twitter, Discord. They have a DAO section here, analytics, and it says looking for the over-the-counter swap app. It's moved to otc.sudoswap.xyz, so you could use that as well. On their webpage, you could search collections, and there is also a document section. So the Sudoswap AMM, or just Sudoswap for short, is a minimal gas-efficient automated market maker protocol that facilitates NFT to token swaps and vice versa, using customizable bonding curves. Sudoswap supports ERC-721 NFTs, as well as ETH and ERC-20 tokens. Liquidity providers, LPs, can deposit assets into a single-sided buy or sell pool, into a dual-sided trade pool, which buys and sells NFTs with an optional spread to capture trading fees. Similar to the floor NFT protocol, Sudoswap makes no distinction between different ERC-721 IDs. Pools that are willing to buy or sell NFTs will return the same price no matter which NFT is sent in or out of the collection. So Sudoswap is an AMM protocol for NFTs, which means that users buy from or sell into liquidity pools instead of directly trading between themselves. If you're familiar with Uniswap, it's similar concept, but for NFTs. And so then they go over how it works. So it says here how it works. Number one, liquidity providers deposit NFTs or ETH and yada, yada, yada. It goes over that if you want to read about that. So, and then it talks about what is a liquidity pool. Now, you can easily look up what is a liquidity pool yourself. So they go over it with the linear bonding curve. The price of the NFT is increased by a flat amount. And you can check that out. And they talk about exponential bonding curves. And the XYK curve as well. So you can read all about those on their user guides, on their document section. They have a technical paper. Now, they have a section for buying NFTs, selling NFTs, direct pool swaps, creating liquidity pools, launching on Sudoswap, so managing your collections. And it says there is no special procedure to launch an NFT collection on Sudoswap. However, if you'd like to make Sudoswap part of your launch, you can 1. Deploy an NFT smart contract as you would for any other collection. 2. Mint part of the supply to an address you control. And 3. Create a liquidity pool on Sudoswap for those NFTs. And 4. Tell collectors to buy from the liquidity pool. They also have technical references if you want to go over that. Now, if you're having any issues as well, they have frequently asked questions like, why isn't my collection showing up in the search bar? Creating a pair, pair types, pair parameters, managing a pair. All these things are available on here. Very extensive white paper or document section. And you can just keep clicking next, and it just takes you to more and more stuff like NFT token swaps, how to do all that, contract addresses, you could find all those. Yeah, tons of info on here. They have contract addresses for all the curves, the pair router, the pair factory, all these things are on here, technical stuff. Docs.sudoswap.xyz is where you can find their white paper. Sudoswap.xyz is their webpage, and then you can find their new announcement for this token being listed on Mexc Global on Mexc's Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.